If you're trying to connect a headset with a single 3.5mm jack to a desktop PC that has a separate headphone and microphone ports, you may notice that either the audio works but the microphone doesn't, or the headset isn't detected at all. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a single jack headset to a dual port PC and get both the headphones and microphones working properly. But the first thing that you need to do is to understand the difference between the connectors. Most modern headsets uses a single 3.5mm TRRS connector. The single plug carries both audio output and microphone input through one cable. But many desktop PCs, however, have two separate 3.5mm ports, a headphone or speaker port usually colored green, a microphone port usually colored pink. Since these ports are separated, a single headset plug cannot fully utilize both functions without additional hardware. And then you want to make sure to get a headset splitter adapter. Why? Because for you to be able to connect your single jack headsets to a dual port PC, you'll need a headset splitter adapter. This adapter has one female 3.5mm port for headset, two male 3.5mm plugs, one plug for headphones, and one plug for the microphone. And then plug your headset into the female end of the splitter, and then connect the splitter to your PC. Now, I want you to connect the two male plugins from the splitter into the correct ports on your computer. Insert the headphone plug into the green audio output port. Insert the microphone plug into the pink microphone input port. Make sure both plugs are fully inserted to ensure a proper connection. And then you need to configure the video audio settings in Windows. Okay, so after connecting the headset, Windows should automatically detect the devices. And to verify this information, right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar, select Sound Settings. Under Output, choose your headset as the playback device. Under Input, select your headset microphone, speak into the microphone and watch the input level meter to confirm it's receiving audio. And then you need to test your headset. Open any voice recording app or communication software such as Discord, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. And then you need to test the audio playback through the headset, record a short microphone sample, play it back to confirm both functions are working properly. Either this feature doesn't work, so you need to double check that the splitter is designed specifically for headset and not just for audio sharing. Now, there are a couple of troubleshooting steps, especially if your headset isn't working. Ensure the splitter supports both audio and microphone functionality. Try unplugging and reconnecting old cables. Update your audio drivers, do not forget that. Check your PC manufacturer's audio software settings. Test the headset on another device to confirm it works properly, because connecting a single jack headset to a dual port PC is very simple once you have the correct headset splitter adapter. Just connect the headset to the splitter, plug the audio and microphone connectors into their respective ports, and configure your sound settings in Windows. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect a single jack headset to a dual port PC. If you found this helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.